Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Students, today I am going to make a video for the students of 6th standard. But today I am going to start one of the important subjects, that is mathematics. Okay student, in mathematics we are going to learn the second chapter, that is angles. Okay student, are you ready? Yes. Very good. But before moving forward, I would like to say thanks to my subscribers and those who have shared, commented and liked my video. Thank you very much and be connected for new videos. Okay students? So without wasting time, let's get started. Today we are going to learn, just now I told you, angles. Okay, so to understand the concept of angle, I would like to ask few questions. Okay student, see, now you can see in your surrounding. Right now you can see in your surrounding and tell me the objects which have angles. Yes, tell me the names of objects. What do you see in your surrounding? Yes, right now you can see window, door, TV, refrigerator. Okay, then books, textbooks, computer, mobile, buildings, okay, grills of window. Good. So all these things you may see in your surrounding. Now when we see such kind of objects, for example, let me show one thing here. See student, this is book. You can see book, just now I told you. Now four sides. This book has 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but here two sides are joining together. Two sides are joining together. Okay, when it joins together in a point, that is called as a angle. Okay student, so here we see 4 angles. Here we see what? 4 angles, because 4 sides of this book joins together in 4 points. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, two adjacent sides joined together in a point is known as angle. Okay student, got it now? Very good. Now tell me the things. Just now you told me a lot of names. Now tell me the things where you find such kind of adjacent points joining together and forming angles. For example, see here you can see the board, whiteboard, and they are joining here, here and here and here. Okay, so the point here, this is called as a angle. This is also an angle, this is also an angle, and this is also an angle. Okay student? Okay student, have you understood now angle? Okay, so two rays join together in a point, that is called as a angle. Okay, for example, here on the whiteboard you can see a grill. Okay, grill of what? Line. Lines are intersecting together, and when they intersect together they form angles. For example, here you can see an angle, here also you can see an angle, here also you can see an angle, and here also you can see angle. So everywhere we can see here different angles. Okay student, now see student, again one of the important thing. Now student, again I would like to show a toy that may be present or available in our home. Okay, see student, what is it? It is a toy. Okay, toy of a kid. Okay, baby girl. Okay, kitchen set. It is known as a kitchen set. Here we can see angles also. Where do we see angles? See, here is a door, so here we can see the angle. Okay student, so here also we can see angle, here also we can see the things are okay forming angle. This also a angle. See this one, isn't it? Yeah, you can see here this way. Okay, so here also an angle forms. Okay student, what do I wanted to say is that it is very easy to understand the types of angles. Okay student, you observe the things in your surrounding, then you can understand the angles. Okay student, so this is one of the important examples that you can understand that. Okay student, got it now what is angle? Now let's have again some examples, or we will recall the angles that we have learned previously. In the 4th standard and in 5th standard we have learned angles, but we have learned basic angles. Okay student, so we will have a short recall of that. Okay, are you ready? So I will draw a diagram here, you watch it. Okay student, see I am going to draw a diagram, observe it. Yes student, can you observe it? What is it? It is, yeah, watch. Okay, here watch, and in this watch we know that we have hands of the watch, hour hand and minute hand, as well as second hand also is there. Now see, these, we know that these hands of watch rotate when clockwise. These hands rotates, we know that they form, or it forms angles, different angles. See now here also we see these two rays form an angle. Okay student, have you seen? Can you see here? Yes. Okay, now one more example. What do we call it as? I will tell you later on. Just watch and learn what I am saying. Okay student, so this is one example where these hands form an angle. Okay, continuously when it rotates it form a different, okay student, angles. Very good. Now see again one more example I would like to tell you. See student, what is it? Yes, it is a scissor. Okay, when we use the scissor in a different way, it forms angles, different angles. Okay, now see, if I bring it together, the two blades of the scissor, see, you can see the angles. Yeah, see now this. Okay, got it? So the scissor also form, what is this? This is scissor, and scissor also form different angles. See, can you see? I will show you. If I draw lines, we can see here an angle. A right angle is formed. Okay, we have learned in the previous class. Yes, so right angle can form, acute angle can form, obtuse angle also can be formed. Okay student, have you understood? Now one more thing I would like to show. What is this student? This is the beak of a bird. Okay, here also this beak also form an angle. See here, you can see the curved lines also form angle. So here we can see the angle. Okay student, here also we can see the angle. Yes, have you understood now angles? Okay, now student, in the previous class we have learned already, this is obtuse angle. It is obtuse angle. Why it is obtuse? Because it is more than 90 degree. Okay, so it is obtuse angle. Okay, see student, here the two arms of the angle join together in a vertex, that is, and it forms 90 degree. So it is a right angle. And here it is less than 90 degrees, so it is what? Acute angle. Okay student, have you understood now this one? Very good. So these things we have learned in the previous class. Okay, now we will move forward. Students, let's have some more examples. Okay, now see here some of the angles are given. Angles are given 1, 2, 3, and here you have to write a name of angle, vertex of angle, and arms of the angle. Okay student, so see name, what is the name? PYR is the name of angle, PYR, or we can say RYP. Okay student, so this is the name of this angle. Now vertex, what is the vertex? What is the vertex student? Yes, the two rays join together, okay, at the end point or at the same common point, end point, two rays join, these are the two rays, they are joining in a point, okay, end point. This is a common end point. So this is known as vertex. So what is the name of vertex here? Y. And arms, you know what are the arms? These are the two arms, YP and YR are the two arms of this angle. Okay, student. So what? Ray YP and YR. What is, student? Now see, what is the name of the angle? L M N. L M N. Then vertex. What is the vertex? Yes, here M is the vertex. Just now I told you what is mean by vertex. Okay, student. Now now the arms of this angle. Ray M L and ray M N. The third one we will see. Okay. What is the name? BOS. BOS. And what? Vertex is O. Yes. And arms, ray OB and OS. Okay, student, have you understood now? Yes. Name, vertex and arms of the angle. Okay, got it now? Very good. Now we will learn more types of angles. These are the basic types of angles. These are the basic angles that we have learned in 4th and 5th standard. Now we are going to move forward. Okay, student, are you ready? Very good. Before learning more types of angles, I will draw a diagram here. Then we will learn more. Okay, students? Very good. Yes, student. See here, I have drawn a figure. Yes. Can you tell me where have you seen such kind of diagram? Yes, student. Yes, student. Where have you seen such kind of figure or diagram? Yes. If you know, comment your answer. Okay, student. Let me tell you. If you do not remember, let me tell you. See, now you can remember. Do you remember now? Yes. In maps we have seen. In geographical maps we can see such kind of figures. Okay, student. We can understand direction from that. Again, just now I have shown you the what? Watch. Okay, in watch too, the hands rotates. When it rotates, such kind of angles the hands form. Okay, student. So with the help of these we are going to understand the angles. Okay, the types of angles we are going to understand now. Okay, student. So let's start one by one. Students, suppose that these are the hands of watch, and we will understand now what? The different types of angles. Okay, so let's start. See, student, here from the center of this figure, from this center point and to the E. So this position, if I draw from the watch, see, suppose these are the hands or these are the sticks, two sticks lying together. Okay, in one position only. In one position only they are forming. Yes, can you tell me what angle do they form? Yes, the two sticks or two hands lying on the plane, okay, in one position, in a similar position, then can you tell me what kind of angle they are forming? Yes, you can type your answer in a comment box. Yes, student. See, so they are forming angle. Let's measure the angle. To measure the angle, we will use protractor. Okay, what do we use? Protractor. Protractor is available in our compass box. Okay, student. So with the help of this protractor, we will measure. See, if we measure from this point, then it will measure 0 degree. What? It will measure 0 degree. See, 0 degree. If we measure, we need to measure from this point. Okay. So it is 0 degree angle. What? It measures 0 degree. 0 degree angle. Okay, student. So this is called as 0 degree angle, and it is written as like this. Yes, student, understood the 0 degree angle now? Very good. Now I will draw the next figure. See, this is the first initial position. If the angle or the stick move further, if this is the initial position of the stick or the initial position of the hand, we can see. If this hand moves further, if this hand moves in this direction, any direction it can move. If we are moving in an anti-clockwise, okay, so if it moves in further direction, then it will form a different angle now. Okay, students, see. It forms a different angle now. Okay, see, it moves anti-clockwise in this direction. Okay, student. Okay, now what do we call it as? Yes, let me tell you within 1 minute. Okay, student, I will draw the next diagram. Initial position of the stick I will draw first. This is the initial position. Okay, then again if the stick or the hand of the watch move further, then again it will form an angle, see, like this. Then what do we call it as? What do we call it as? Okay, we will measure the angle first, then I will tell you the name of the angle. Yes, so I will use this protractor to measure the angle. See, from this point I will measure this center of the protractor, this center of the protractor. Okay, from this center we have to measure. So I will put this on this point. Okay, it is 40 degree. How much? It is nearly 40 degree angle. See, okay, approximately it is 40 degree. Okay, so it has 40 degree angle. It measures 40 degree angle. I will tell you the name of this angle within 1 minute. Now, see, I will measure this one. I will keep it on the point and then I will measure it. See, student. Yes, can you see? It is 90 degree. Yes, can you see, student? It is a 90 degree angle. It is 90 degrees angle, and we better know the angle which has or the angle which measures 90 degrees is called what? Right angle. It is called right angle, or it is known as right angle. If the line falls perpendicular on the plane line, okay, this line is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so this is 90 degree angle. Okay, and it is known as right angle. Okay, student, the angle which has or which measures 90 degree is known as right angle. Okay, now I will tell you this one. This angle measures 40 degree. It means it is more than 0 degree angle. Okay, and less than 90 degree. Okay, student, so it is called as a acute angle. What do we call it as a acute angle? Okay, more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. So it is called as a acute angle. And acute angle, why does it called as a acute? Because it is very sharp one. What? It is also known as sharp angle. Why it is sharp? Because the angle is very narrow one, sharp one. Okay, student, have you understood? Yes. Okay, very good. And I have told you this. Now I will draw the next diagram and I will tell you the next. See, first of all I will draw the initial position. If again this hand or the stick move further, then again it will form a different angle. Let's see. See, student, the hand is moved forward. The hand is moved forward like this. This moved forward. It formed a new angle here. Okay, student. What do we call it as? Wait a minute. I will tell you. Okay. See, next diagram I will draw. See, this is the initial position that we have learned here. That is 0 degree. Okay. 0 degree. This is 0 degree. But If it moves again further, then let's see what angle does it form. So here we can see a straight line. Okay, so such kind of angle we see. Here we have seen the 0 degree angle. Now here we see a straight line. Okay, if we measure this angle, so we will see how much does it measure. Okay, so I will keep it on the point, measure it, see 0 to 180. So this measures 180 angle. What? This measures 180 degree. I will write here. It measures 180 degree. 180 degree. So how to identify it is 180 degree or 0 degree? If we see a center point here, okay, or origin or vertex, then it will be 180 degree, and you will see the arrow here, a arrowhead. You will see here a arrowhead. Okay, so we have to measure from here. When you will measure from here, then it will be 180 degree. So let's measure and see how much does it measure. Okay, now here if we measure from here 0 to 180 degree, it means that it measures 180 degree. How much it measures? It measures 180 degree. Okay, student. Now I will tell you the name of this angle, student. See, if I draw a line here, then let's see what will happen. See, if I draw a line here, it means here I have drawn a line. It means this is 90 degree angle. Okay, now the stick or the hand move further from this position to this position. Now it is more than 90 degree. Let's measure how much does it measure. Okay, see, 90, 100, 100, 120. It measures 120 degree. It measures how much? 120 degree angle. It is 120 degree angle. Okay, student. Okay, it is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, it is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So it is known as obtuse angle. Okay, student, have you understood now? And also it is called as what? Blunt. Blunt. I will write here. It is blunt. Why it is blunt? Because if we see this one, this angle is somewhat blunt one. It is acute or it is sharp one because the angle is narrow one and it is blunt one. Okay, student, have you understood? Okay, very good. Now I will tell you the name of this angle. But before that, again I would like to draw one more angle so that you can understand better it. Okay, very good. See, student, if this hand moves further, then such kind of angle it forms. Okay, such kind of angle it forms. Okay, student. So we will measure it and then I will tell you the name of this angle. Okay. See, student, this much is 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Now again we will measure it. It is 50. Okay, so 180 and 50 means what? How much? 230 degree. It means it is 230 degree angle. 230 degree angle. Okay, student. Then now I will tell you the name of this angle afterward. Before that I will tell you the name of this angle now. Okay, it is called as a straight angle because here we see the straight line. Okay, student. And one more important thing I would like to tell you, here this hand or stick completes half turn of it. Okay, how much? half turn of angle. This is called as half turn of angle. A complete turn of angle measures 360 degree, and half of 360 degree is 180 degree. So here it completes half turn of angle. Okay, student. Now here again I would like to tell you about this angle, the name of this angle. Before that, I would like to draw one more angle, and then I will tell you the name of this angle, student. Okay, so let's draw. So this is the initial position, and if this hand move further and comes to its initial position or first position, then what kind of angle does it form? Let's see. Now the two sticks or the two hands are overlapping on each other, okay, or they are in the same position. Now it means it forms or it completes one rotation. It completes one rotation of the angle. It completes one turn. It completes one turn. Okay, one turn. So it is called as complete angle. What do we call it as? Complete angle. I will write here. Or again it is called as round angle. What? Round angle. Okay. Otherwise it is called as perigon angle. Perigon angle. And how much does it measure? I told you it completes half turn of angle here, that measures 180. It completes the whole turn. Okay, so it is 360 degree. If we measure it, it will be 360 degree. Do you want to see? Let's measure. We know it is 180. It is 180. And if we measure again from the below side, 180. Okay, 180, 180, how much? 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degree. Okay, student, have you understood? Okay, very good. So here it completes a turn. So what we have studied, student? A zero angle, initial position, that we have seen this one. Okay, yes. Now we have seen, after that we have seen the acute angle that forms here, zero angle. First we have seen zero angle, second we have seen the acute angle, third we have seen what? Right angle that forms here. Okay, you can see here right angle. Okay, then fourth we have seen, that is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle from here to here. So what we have learned? Obtuse angle. Okay, now after that what we have seen? That is straight angle. That is 180 degrees. And after that we have seen what? More than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. This angle is called as reflex angle. I forget to tell you, it is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So it is called as what? It is called
Reflex angle.
Reflex angle. Okay, and at the last we have learned, that is complete angle, round angle, or perigon angle, that is of 360 degree. Okay, student. So student, we have learned today, that is 0 degree angle, then acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and a complete angle. Okay, student, very good. Students, if you have liked this video, as well as if you found it useful to you, share it to your friends, like it, comment below the video, and do not forget to subscribe it. Thank you, and be connected for more such educational videos. Thank you, be connected.